welcome back. This is Sierra, and today on my channel I'm doing another awesome lucky bag unboxing. Today's video is going to be my Tutu Anna lucky bag, and I don't know what's inside, but we're going to find out as soon as the intro plays. Okay guys, so if you're a regular subscriber, hi, it's good to see you again. If you are not a subscriber, I'm Sierra, and my videos usually contain a lot of different topics, but I'm an American YouTuber living in Japan, so naturally, most of my videos are talking about my crazy life in Japan, but I also make videos about Lush, being vegan, and zero waste. So if any of those things are interesting to you, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, I gotta ask you, what are you doing with your time? Come on, I make these videos and you don't even watch them. Anyways, let's not waste any time. Let's just get into my Tutu Anna lucky bag. Tutu Anna is a store that I honestly am not incredibly familiar with, but a friend of mine said that this lucky bag was really good last year, and it was only 1,000 yen, which is about $10, and so I figured it's only 10 bucks, you can't go wrong, and if I don't like the stuff inside, I can give it away or donate it. Anyways, I'm gonna see what is inside this Tutu Anna bag, but really quickly, Tutu Anna, as I said, is a new store for me, and I don't know exactly what's going to be in here, but I do know is that Tutu Anna is a store in Japan. Well, I'm sure they have it in other places in Japan too, but in Japan, Tutu Anna is a store that sells a lot of different things. The main thing that they sell are, intimates, if you know what I mean. And so inside their store, I've noticed they have, of course, like socks and like tights and stuff, but they also have like bras and underwear and, other fun evening wear that you don't wear outside your house or that you would wear underneath your clothes. So I don't know what's going to be in here. My face is probably going to turn really red if there's anything that's not, that I want to show the entire internet. But when you're a YouTuber, people find stuff about you. So if there's underwear in here, you guys are going to see my underwear. So let's see what's inside, and let's hope that I put on enough makeup that it would hide my face turning bright red. So without further ado, let's open the Tutu Anna lucky bag. Okay. I don't know how to open this without destroying it completely. I don't know if I should use a scissor or just pull. I'm just going to pull. Oh, it's not that bad. Okay. It's actually pretty easy to open. Oh, they taped it up here too. I guess they don't want you looking inside. That's one thing about lucky bags is the whole point of the lucky bag is it's supposed to be a secret what's inside, even though people put previews online and stuff, and some stores will straight up tell you what's in it because sometimes their bags are really expensive and people get mad if they spend too much money on them. But there we go. Anyways, I do have a story about a guy who opened a lucky bag when I was shopping the other day, and I will save that story for kind of my last Q&A video that I'm going to do, but don't miss that video. It's going to be good, and when it's done, I'm going to link it up here. Anyways, I got this almost open now. Let's get this the middle part. I kind of ruined it. That's okay. I'll just cut it off so I can save it. Okay, Tutu Anna lucky bag. On your mark. Get set. Open. I'm thankful, you guys. I don't think that there's any underwear in here. So those of you who are wondering what underwear looks like, it's still going to be a secret. Let's see what's inside. It looks pretty good. So I only paid 1,000 yen, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different items inside of here. So I think I had made out pretty well because that's less than $2 per item. So I'm going to just pull them out and show you guys what I got, and I'm pretty excited. Now I understand this nickname. This bag has a nickname as the sock bag, so now I understand because it's mostly socks in here. So let's just open each one and talk about them. Alright, first item in the bag is this item. Ooh, they're fuzzy. Okay, this item is like this. They're really soft, fuzzy, fluffy socks that I love. In Japan, our house has heating, but in Japan, a lot of houses don't have central heating, and if they do have a heating facility, it's not it just doesn't heat as well as it does in States. I have a really good friend who she's the one who went shopping with me, and you saw her pictures in my first video that I'll link up here, and I've seen her in a lot of my other channel because she's one of my best friends here. Her house doesn't have centralized heating, but they have one heating unit on each floor that's attached to their ceiling. It's their air conditioning unit that doubles as a heater. And so in Japan, the floors are always cold. So fuzzy socks are awesome. And honestly, I get cold all the time. So I totally understand why you would want to have soft, fuzzy socks. And it looks like the price is on this one. And so this one says there are 3 for 1,000 yen. And so there are definitely more than 3 items in the bag. And I don't know if all of my items are going to be 3 for 1,000 yen items, but if they are, there's already more than 3, so the bag is more than paid for. So, all right, pick out another item from the bag and see what's in here. What is this? Oh, okay, they're tights. So I wear tights a lot actually. Tutu Anna tights I've never tried before, but it looks like the price on these ones is 400 yen. So if this one is really, it would be about 330 yen plus the price of these tights. The bag is basically paid for. Almost. It's like more than half paid for already. Anyways, very interesting. I'm glad that they're black because I do wear a lot of skirts. And I like to wear black tights because in the winter because they're the warmest. So let's set these down right now. Okay, stay right there. All right, next item from the lucky bag. I don't know what it is. It's this one. And again, it's another pair of socks. Let's see, and these ones again are another ones. They're 3 for 1,000 yen. And I don't know what these are made of. They're a little bit scratchy. And so I think they might be a wool blend, which I'm kind of disappointed about because you guys know I'm vegan and I try to avoid wool. Yeah, it says mix right here. So I don't know what I should do with these guys. Like, I paid for them, but I didn't mean to get wool socks. Does that make sense? Whatever. Okay. So anyways, they are, again, are nice and warm, which will be great because floors in Japanese houses are really, really cold. And actually, like, even though we have central heating, our hardwood floor in the main space is usually pretty cold. So I'm excited to give these a try. They just look so nice. Like, I understand why they're 3 for 1,000 yen. They probably could get them for, like, I don't know, probably 500 yen because of how high quality they are. Okay, there's those ones. I'm going to put those ones down. All right, next item from the lucky bag is more socks. Yeah, now I understand why it's called the sock bag, or at least nicknamed the sock bag. I know these ones are 3 for 1,000 yen. And these are just like standard gray socks. And I don't know what these are made out of. Okay, it says right here that they're made of cashmere. So I always thought that cashmere was really expensive. If you guys don't know, cashmere is an animal item. I guess I didn't think about it when I bought these, but to think they would all be made of animal products. But I guess I already have them, so, and I can't return them. And since I have them, I might as well keep them and use them. And then that being said, I don't think I'm going to rebuy the Tutu Anna lucky bag next year. Even though it was cheap, it's just not really worth like compromising my values. You know what I mean? But anyways, they are, I will say, really nice. And you know, it's interesting. I've noticed that they have a lot of cashmere in Japan, and in the States, cashmere is pretty expensive. But I've seen cashmere sweaters for like only $30 at places like Uniqlo. So I don't know if the cashmere is like a lower quality cashmere or if it's just cheap in Japan. I don't know. If you guys know anything about that, let me know in the comments. Okay, set this down. And okay, next item from the lucky bag is more fuzzy socks. Oh, I love the colors of these ones. These are really fun. I don't remember, like they kind of remind me of the character, like not Puff the Magic Dragon. I don't know. There's some dragon in Disney. I have no idea what its name is, but I don't know. It just, for some reason, reminds me of a dragon from Disney World. More fuzzy socks, which I'm going to need this winter because the floors are so cold here. And can you ever have enough fuzzy socks, really? I don't think so. So awesome. I really like them. Really fun. I don't know how these are going to work very well underneath shoes, but I guess if I just wear them inside, I'm good. Actually, I could probably just carry them with me. A big thing in Japan is that when you, actually in Central Europe too, usually when you go to someone's house, the expectation is that you take your shoes off, and so you have to have a pair of slippers or something with you or borrow some. Anyway, last and final item from the lucky bag is this pair of socks. And again, I don't know, these feel like there's some type of an animal product blend. I'm so upset. I shouldn't beat myself up about it because I should have thought more, but I didn't. Whatever. Anyways, these are really nice, though. They have kind of like a plaid type pattern on them, and they feel pretty soft. So anyways, that is the end of the lucky bag. All the stuff held together. If it is 3 for 1,000 yen, that makes them, like, these 3 socks right here are the cost of the bag, and then I have 2 more plus the tights, and so I would say 1,700 yen plus 400 yen, so 700 and 400, that makes it 2,100, and so the sock bag is definitely worth what you pay for it, but if you're vegan, I would caution you from maybe considering not buying this lucky bag just because you can't necessarily control which socks are inside. So anyway, that was really fun. Again, I'm not probably going to buy this bag, but I am happy with the items that I got. So, and plus, who doesn't need more tights? So put these guys inside here. Oh, no! Not done! I thought we were done. We are not done. Stop the video. Okay, one more thing in here. It's just really small, but it is super cute. The last and final item that I got is this one, and it is a really cute bunny. I think it's a bunny. Yeah, they're cute bunny no-seam socks. And so that being said, with all of the items together, if you had paid retail price, they would have been 2,400 yen because it's 6 pairs of socks and a pair of tights. So anyways, I'm excited to try all of these out, and I just don't know. I have so many socks now. It's going to be a really fun year. But anyways, that's all I have for you guys in this video today. If you guys like this video, again, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button so you'll get something new and exciting. Thank you guys for watching. Talk to you guys later. Bye!